Alright, have you ever seen a dude wearing a hood in front of the computers doing cool stuffs? Maybe in movies or pictures? They are known as hackers, who are addressed as the most dangerous people behind the screens. If you remember clearly, you might have come across a bunch of zeros and ones on their computer. Well, what if I'm to tell you that the sequence of zeros and ones that you are currently looking at is actually... If it doesn't make sense, then stay tuned. Because by the end of this video, you'll learn what those sequences are and how to write your own secret messages. Man, how much is for the car? Hey yo, how long have you been working out? Bro, how far is your house from here? We tend to ask common questions like this, and the numeric system which is in those answers are not so complicating. This numeric system is called base 10 or decimal. In number base, each of the bases contains different sets of digits. For example, base 10 has every digits from 0 to 9, base 7 only has digits from 0 to 6, base 4 has digits 0 to 3, and etc. There are some number bases that has other fancy names. Base 10 is known as decimal, base 8 is quite famously known as octal, and base 2 is known as
binary.
The 0 and 1 looks familiar, doesn't it? So technically, computer uses the binary system to perform a task. A complex mathematics problem can be solved by a PC which can only talk using zeros and ones. Sounds silly, doesn't it? But how does it work? Well, assume you've got a light bulb. You can either turn it on or turn it off. Or maybe send a burnout light bulb as a gift to your neighbor. That's your choice actually. The zeros and ones can be represented by the state of the bulb. Turning off would be 0 and turning on is 1. An electronic component such as a transistor works exactly the same inside our devices. So a few of them working in a sequence produces a bunch of zeros and ones which the computer comprehends as a data or a pattern. To sum things up, you searching for your favorite song is translated into zeros and ones so that the computer understands it and provides you with the accurate data. So now that you have understand how binary system works, let's find out how a message like "I am Iron Man" can be written in binary. To turn a character into binary sequence, we use ASCII, which stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. This is a table that can be used as a reference to turn any alphabets, numbers, or symbols into binary. So a message such as "I am Iron Man" can be written in binary like this. Here's the ASCII table for your reference. Feel free to download it from the description. Remember that I said this binary sequence meant, well, I didn't lie. Using the ASCII table, we can convert the binary into alphabets which clearly says... Anyways, I've mentioned about number bases to you guys. Take a look at this situation. The same kid is saying different stuff. Is he lying? Actually, no. He's just simply using the different number base. What does that even mean? Where's the proof both are the same thing? To learn that, stay tuned for the next video.